My GE washer GTW680BSJ1WS does not seem to sensing the water level. It stays on sensing for some time and then fills, probably fills too high. Then it stops and drains and shuts off. I recently replaced, yesterday, a Pro D switch. I am not sure if the controls need to be reset, which I don't know how to do, or if it's the pressure switch that has gone bad at not sensing water levels. How do I access the problem codes?
Can you guesstimate how old your GE is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
Not even 2 years old. About 1.5 years.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Would like to if possible.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
All why the controls and wires look to be great condition and in their right positions. I did unplug anything when I was replacing the lid switch. After sensing multiple times, it does not move to filling even though water is flowing into the machine. It then shows the message H2O supply and then drains the tub and shuts off. The machine will drain and spin but not go through any of the wash cycles.
One moment please. Note it takes time to type and add links, so please be patient. Also, the site will send you a phone call offer. That is not me.
I meant to say I did not unplug anything when replacing the lid switch.
That is a water inlet error code. Is the water going to the machine good?
I checked both the cold and hot water sources and they are good. The water is flowing into the machine, both hot and cold.
Do this and let me know what error code comes up. Click here.
The first code was 4. The second and last code was 8.
Do you have a display to show you the numbers?
4 and then 8.
This error means there has been too great of a difference in the pressure sensor reading and the expected pressure sensor reading for the amount of water the control calculated it has put in. It assumes there is a pressure leak, a clog in the pressure hose/system delaying the increase in pressure, or a significant amount water leaking out. Check the pressure sensor tubing on the unit, and if that is good, you would have to replace the main board since the sensor is integrated on the board. Click here. Part we are on the honor system here for payment and will receive nothing unless a rating is given. Please remember to use the rating link on your page by selecting a star at the top or bottom of the screen before you leave today. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.